Well, seeing rainbows after a rainstorm is a special treat.
But do we know how or why we see those beautiful colors? Our Candace Monticelli is live to create a rainbow for us and tell us all how it happens. Good morning.
Good morning. Yes, rainbows are gorgeous, but we don't always see them. We need rainstorms to be able to see them, but the angles have to be just right for the reflection and the refraction all to work. So let's create a rainbow today and show you how you can do it at home. So here's what you need for today's experiment. First, a flashlight, then a glass of water, and a white piece of paper. So not a lot for today's experiment, pretty simple and a pretty cool, easy one to do at home. So you want to take this white piece of paper, just place it on the table in front of you, and then a glass of water right on the side of it. This one's hard to see over video, but I promise you, if you do this at home, you'll see it. It's another one to get up close and personal with. So then you want to take your flashlight, a camera, phone light will work just the same as well. And then you just want to obviously turn on the flashlight and shine this flashlight through the water and onto the piece of paper. Now you have to play around with the angles with this, just like how the atmosphere does, because once you get the angle just right, you'll start to see those rainbow colors show up. And I've noticed that the higher that you hold the light at an angle at the top of the water, the more easier it is to start to see those colors form. But why does this happen? Why do we see a rainbow? The light that we see each and every day, it's actually known as visible light or white light. But really, it's made up of a mixture of all the visible colors. So when we get a rainbow, it's because the light, it's reflected through a water droplet, or in our case, through this glass of water, and then refracted back out into the air, or in this case, onto the piece of paper. So that light passing through the water source, it then is broken up into those 7 different colors of the spectrum, the rainbow. So that's why we see the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So a really cool way to make that rainbow right here at home. And we need those rainstorms in order to see the rainbow. You can't have one without the other because you need that light to reflect and refract through the water. You're also, if you notice, next time you see a rainbow, take notice to where the sunshine is. They will most likely and typically end up in the section of the sky that directly is opposite from the sun. So that's why we have our flashlight opposite from our piece of paper, opposite from where our rainbow will form. So when you try this at home, send me pictures. I'll share them on Facebook for all our future meteorologists. And there are full step-by-step instructions on Fox 7.